SLT Lighting Technogy Co Limited is a professional LED lighting manufacturer founded in 2010 with 3,500 square meters workshop. We meet ISO 9001 quality assurance levels. SLT Lighting is committed to offer our customers best price and quality products. Our skilled workers and automatic production lines will keep your cost low, and annual production capacity of 200,000 PCS ensures the fast delivery. Professional research and development team will keep SLT Lighting at forefront of LED technology. Strict quality control and warmly service will keep you away from the headache of the after-sale service. Our mainly products are LED floodlights, LED high bay light, LED wall pack, LED street light, and LED shoebox range from 10 watt to 1000 watt. All products are UL, CUL, DLC, FCC, CE, ROHS, and ERP approved. We only use well-known quality brands of LED chip and LED driver to ensure reliable quality. All the products are suitable for wet location, especially outdoor using. Reliable quality with 5 years warranty. Quality, innovation, honesty, service is our culture. Provide our clients reliable quality LED products. Keep investment for new products and technology. Be honest to all clients and offer them our best service. We are looking for distributors and agent from different countries. We will support your business with great business terms, good price, and our best service.
SLT Lighting Technology is a professional manufacturer of ULC, LDLC, LED line, LED high bay line, and LED wall pack range from 10 watt to 1000 watt, suitable for wide locations. Our sales team can speak fluent English and offer professional business support and after-sales service. Welcome to visit us and hope to see you soon.
SLT Lighting Technogy Co Limited is a professional LED lighting manufacturer founded in 2010 with 3,500 square meters workshop. We meet ISO 9001 quality assurance levels. SLT Lighting is committed to offer our customers best price and quality products. Our skilled workers and automatic production line